The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Welcome to our virtual admissions ceremonies. Ms. Guerrero, please proceed.
Good morning. May it please the court. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 40 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this morning does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Before I rule on your motion, I want to take this opportunity to thank the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for the excellent job they have done to assure that the candidates are all well qualified for admission. The committee's work is important and greatly appreciated by all the justices of the court. Now we turn to the motion before the court. Justice Cardozo famously said that justice delayed is justice denied. Well, there will be no delay of justice today because my colleagues have authorized me to grant the motion. The oath will now be administered by Susana Rojas, the clerk of the court.
Good morning, Justice Kern. Good morning, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do," if you agree with the oath. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? If you agree, please unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Congratulations, you are now officially lawyers. It is customary for one of the justices to give some welcoming words to you, the newly admitted lawyers. Today, that honor falls to me. I'm sorry, can you still see me?
Yes, we can see you, Justice Kern.
Okay. On behalf of my fellow justices, I am happy to welcome you, the newly admitted attorneys, to the bar of the state of New York. Achieving admission to the bar has meant much hard work, dedication, and sacrifice for each of you and your loved ones that helped you get here. Each and every one of you should be praised for the commitment you have displayed in becoming a member of the bar. However, today is more than just a time to praise you for what you have accomplished thus far. Today is a day to remind you to focus on the professional experiences that lie ahead. You are certain to face challenges and hurdles along the way, whether you commit yourselves to litigation, public service, or transactional law. Each of these challenges and hurdles will present you with opportunities to learn and grow as attorneys and as individuals. I encourage you to embrace the challenges and opportunities that are sure to come your way. Being a lawyer is an immense honor and a privilege. You will be responsible every single day for understanding your client's legal needs and for representing the interests of your clients to the best of your abilities. It is an awesome responsibility. Lawyers are thinkers and problem solvers, and good lawyers strive to help others and make the world a better place than what it was when they began their careers. Being a lawyer has been and continues to be a dynamic vehicle for social change in the area of civil rights and gender equality and increasing access to economic and social opportunities. It is also a profession which is being reshaped by modern technology. You, as all new attorneys, will confront the emerging legal and ethical issues associated with information technology, such as e-discovery, social networking, and the privacy concerns of a technology-driven society such as ours. Indeed, the changes and challenges of the future will include things that we cannot even imagine today, or as Captain Kirk might have put it, you will boldly go where no person has gone before, simply because the world is changing so fast and so much. As lawyers, however, you have your ethical compass and your deep commitment to the rule of law to guide you, even as technology and social and political changes raise novel and challenging questions for us all. Among your many ethical obligations, always remember the importance of doing pro bono work for the good of the public. Each of you now has unique skills and talents that enable you to use the power of the law. It will be up to you, as the next newest lawyers of our time, to see that the power of the law is used honestly, ethically, and equitably for the public good. Please volunteer your time, your knowledge, and your skills willingly to those in need of counsel. You must strive to ensure that the law is not used to diminish the rights of those who are out of favor or who are without sufficient means to pursue their rights or defend themselves. Pursue these ideals with vigor and with passion, and you will go far. Always retain your integrity and remember that a lawyer's most valuable possession is a good reputation, a reputation for truthfulness, ethics, diligence, and loyalty to one's client. I must admit, it still feels very strange to welcome you to this profession virtually. In normal times, we would have welcomed you and your families to the courthouse, and we hope to do that again shortly. Our courthouse is both an artistic and historical marvel. Its many murals and statues display the ideals on which our legal system is based: justice, wisdom, and power. Many of our greatest luminaries were sworn in here. But this pandemic has taught me that a courthouse is merely a physical reminder that we all strive for justice. And justice is a goal and an ideal that can be achieved whether we're all physically together or working towards that goal virtually. This is only the beginning for you. With hard work and dedication, nothing is out of reach. The law is now yours to uphold. I am confident that each of you will do your best to strive for greatness and fulfill the oath you took here today. Good luck and congratulations on this momentous, happy day. The admission ceremony is now concluded and the court is adjourned.
Thank you. The justices will log off and all of the new lawyers will stay on with me.